Alright, 1. Again. 2, 3, go. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey! Sumika, tingnan nyo. Kumakain pa rin.
Again.
Wrinkle zone.
Wrinkle zone. Oh my god. You are now a wrinkle zone. Ready?
Birthday.
You are now in a wrinkle zone.
This one. First, brother, you need to improve your drinking technique. Listen.
What they say?
Jolly one, jolly one, jolly one.
Next one. Stop.
Let's keep on doing. Yeah.
And the last one.
Upside.
Smile, smile.
Kanina yan.
Here's a special thing for your birthday. I'll make your clothes.
Good.
Regalo ka sa kanya.
Here we go.
English, please. Talk again.
Rashid! No! Yeah, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
This one's from us. This one.
Ay,
One more.
Wow, very nice. That's
Wow! Marian,
one of the best cards.
Yeah.
That's the best.
Marian made that card.
Dear Mom.
Wow!
Wow. She won.
Wow. Now let's see.
Nice.
Open mo nga ito, Nat.
Okay.
ganda.
Open mo yung beer ko.
I can still taste hot. For me.
Ito ang batigas na. Ang bukasan na ito is
Dali!
Now.
the cheese. Hindi na.
Wow. It's a big one.
Whoa! Whoa! A towel.
Oh.
Who gave that? Who gave that?
From? That's from? CB, is that yours?
Yeah, that's from CB.
That's from CB.
Yeah. Now that.
Where's the present?
The best present.
That's the best present.
Whoa!
From Chris.
This one, what's that? Oh, this is mask again.
From CB again.
CB.
From CB. From who?
Wow, it's a brown envelope. Wow.
When you open it, there's another one.
Yeah, puzzle.
Oh. Look at that. Wow.
Whoa! Very nice.
Wow.
Wow.
CB and you? Did you get it? Thank you.
Yeah, very.
Last one.
You get the new pajamas. Then like the lucky one.
Lucky one.
So,
Round number 4.
round 4.
This is familiar, dear.
Yeah.
Oh.
All of them look familiar.
Recycled.
And all these look familiar. Ayos. Oh, wow.
Ay, wow, nice, very nice.
Oh,
Kanino
Very nice. Is that
Yeah.
from me? From me.
Thank you.
Very nice, sir. Yeah, you can use
Use
it.
it on Saturday.
Yeah.
Nice.
You wake up now.
Grabe.
No, you use this on Saturday, Mom.
Round 5 now.
This one.
Round 5 ng pagkain, no?
Round 7.
Obvious ba sa katawan?
Yeah.
Yay!
She's scared. It's so loud.
Okay. Smile.
Happy